Today we are checking out the aluminum folding camping table. It comes with these pieces as shown. I was able to set up our camping table in a matter of 2 minutes and it's ready to go. I love that there is a basket underneath so you can store anything such as your plates, napkins, snacks, games for when you're out camping. The table is nicely slatted. And to collapse, you simply pull the end. Can't do it one-handed. You pull the end and you can latch it on. It's 120-pound capacity for the table, and it folds up in an easy-to-go storage bag. It also came with straps, so you can strap them together and carry more than one. Definitely a must-have table.